Hi there. In this video tutorial, we will see how to send many personalized messages to your recently added contacts, automatically using Fiyole. To do so, click on Message Recent Contacts on Fiyole menu box. If you are not in LinkedIn My Network page, Fiyole will prompt you to navigate there. Once you are in LinkedIn My Network page, click on the Message Recent Contacts again. Select the number of profiles you want the message to be sent, type in a new message or select a predefined message. You could also use short codes and signature in your message. In another video we will show you how to add and save messages in signature. After filling in all data, click the Send button. Now, Fiyole will send out personalized message to all the selected contacts. As you see, Fiyole is sending out messages one by one to all the selected contacts.